Having witnessed the expansion of 3D printing over the last decade and seeing how much students love watching their designs come to life, it's clear that 3D printing in the classroom is here to stay. But simply choosing printers and buying them isn't enough anymore, and sometimes it can do more harm than good, frustrating teachers and spreading them thin. Once they're in the schools, the district has no record of their usage, uptime and downtime, or ideas about when they might need to budget for upgrades or replacement. So 3D printers sit and collect dust, or one teacher figures it out but the rest struggle. As soon as that teacher leaves, you're back at square one. Is this all sounding familiar? Enter the Polar Cloud. The premise is simple. Set up your schools, connect your printers to the cloud, and add the members you want to access them. Students sign in and upload their own objects, from their computer or from Tinkercad. They can then send them to the teachers for printing, based on the amount of access they've been granted and the permissions they've been assigned. Running your printing in the cloud means several advantages to the district team and administrators as well. First, get reports delivered to your inbox that detail printer usage, telling you whether or not you're getting a return on your investment and highlighting schools that might need some more training or unused printers that could be reallocated elsewhere. 2. Teachers across the district all get on the same page, verbally, since they're using the same software. The same goes for students. They'll be familiar with the 3D printing process at all grade levels and transitions because they've been using the Polar Cloud for years already. Last but not least, 3D printers that are sitting idle might get used again because the cloud is easier to use. Plus, it comes with STEAM activities and projects for all 12 grade levels. So, skip the complicated slicing applications meant for hobbyists, ditch the USB drives and SD cards, and guarantee at least a 2 times lift in student design and printing when you use the Polar Cloud. Visit polar3d.com and click Contact Us to start piloting the Polar Cloud at one of your schools today.